Hey Foxy fans, how's it going? I'm the Immortal Fox, and tonight I'm going to be doing my first, that was a little loud, my first voiceover video. Okay, so this is a pretty old one. This is, as you can probably tell, this is not CGI, this is stop motion, so it's pretty old. This is from a Ray Harryhausen movie, love his work, called 1,000,000 Years BC. It's a highlight. And this is a dinosaur attack, so I'm going to be doing the voice of the dinosaur. And if you don't like the way I do voices, then just shut off the video. Don't be hating, okay? Don't be hating. Don't be rude. Okay, I'm just gonna shut up and let's just get into the video. I love doing this so much. Hello, people. Why are you all screaming? Hey. Oh, hello. Oh, a pool party? Hey, you looked like you were going to drown, okay? I'm just helping you. Oh, whoop. I'm a butter tooth today. Oh, my goodness. You're actually pretty tasty. Oh. I'm sorry, people. I'm a little hungry. Oh, hello, lady. Get over here. Get over here. What are you doing? Hey, come on. It's a pool party. Oh, man, you people are annoying. What's going on here? Oh, hello, little boy. Wait, are you a boy or a girl? I can't tell with you humans. Hey. Hi. What? I was just saying hi. Relax. Okay. Hey. Hi. Watch the pointy stick. Watch the pointy stick. Ow! Oh. You son of a Triceratops hornhead. What the heck? I'm just saying hello to my people. Okay? I said watch the pointy stick. I was just saying hello to the little kid. I wasn't going to eat him. If I was doing anything with my mouth, ow! I said, watch the flippin' stick. Okay, now this just isn't fair. This is not fair. 4 against 1. What? Why do you guys look so panicked? Ah! Oh, that's it. That is it. Now you make me angry. You're poking me right in the shoulder. Ha! See it. I see it like this. Ugh. Oh, that's nasty. I really don't see how herbivores find that so tasty. Yuck. Oh, hello. Yeah, I need some meat. Yuck. Oh yeah, you're next, buddy. Ah! What is wrong with you people? Hey, cut it out. Ouch. Ow, that was my knee. Stop it. Ow. Quit poking me. Quit poking me. Haha, I got your stick. I have your pointy stick. What are you doing? Get away. I'm gonna get your stick too. Oh, right in the neck. Alright, that's it. Come here, little bugger. Come here. Oh, right in the stomach. Oh, that's not fair. Oh man. Oh, that feels like that's worse than getting a flu shot. Oh, right neck. Rose butt. Goodbye, cruel world. Gotta be honest, I feel worse for the dinosaur. Okay, so that's basically this video. I was just making a fun little video. So, if you people enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for more fun. And in the comments below. Let me know what I should do next. Like, it's 2018, so should I do a room tour video? Should I do like a little dinosaur scenario with my dinosaurs strewn about the floor? Well, what should I do? Should I do a reaction video? Let me know. Okay, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!